Find and replace text. In Word, we use Find command to search for a word or words in a document. The Replace command replaces a specific word or text in a document. Find text. To find a word in a document, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on Home tab. Step 2. Click on Find tool in Editing group. A navigation pane appears on the left side of the window. Step 3. Type the word or words that you want to search in the text box. Word highlights all the occurrences of the word in the document. A preview of all the sentences or sections of text which contain the selected word or words appears under Results in the navigation pane. Step 4. Click on the results to go to that search item in the document. Replace text. To find a specific word or words in a document and replace it with other word or words, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on Home tab. Step 2. Click on Replace tool in Editing group. A Find and Replace dialog box opens. The Replace tab is selected by default. Step 3. Type the word or words to be searched and replaced in the Find What box. Step 4. Type the word or words to replace it with in the Replace With box. Step 5. Click on Find Next button. Word searches for the word or text. If the word is in the text, it gets highlighted. You can replace the word or words by clicking on Replace button or Replace All button. Repeat the above steps till all the words have been replaced in the document. A message box appears showing that words are replaced and asking whether you want to search more or not. Step 6. Click Yes if you want to search more and No if you don't want to search. Step 7. Click on Close button to close the Find and Replace dialog box.